case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States presided over the 1930 case of Illinois Central Railroad v. Crail, which centered on the proper way to measure damages under the Cummins Amendment, wherein a person can recover only the actual loss for undelivered goods. The case began when a Minneapolis coal dealer sued a rail carrier after an interstate coal shipment arrived short of 5,500 pounds. The coal dealer had not resold any of the coal at the time of the shortage and did not lose any sales. However, they had to pay more to buy replacement coal at $5.50 per ton, plus freight. The market price for the coal sold at retail was $13 per ton, including $3.30 freight. After 2 trials, the district court granted the coal dealer the retail value of the missing coal as damages. The plaintiff argued that the established measure of damages should be the retail value. The Supreme Court disagreed, determining that the wholesale market price was the appropriate measure of damages. The court explained that the wholesale market price was preferred because the coal dealer replaced the coal in their business at wholesale market price without added expense. The justices considered other means of assessing the damages, but ultimately believed that the wholesale market price was the most accurate measure, making it the standard for calculating damages in the case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.